Hey people, what's up? I'm back with another trade review, and this time with EurUsd. So let's just get started. So EurUsd 4H time frame, as we can see, 4H high, 4H low, overflow is bullish, and we have to check our daily time frame. And as you can see, daily liquidity was taken, and this candle was bullish, but as you can see, it was just making highs. When this liquid was taken, we tried to sell it from here, and we actually sold from here, and then it again broke this structure. So that is telling us that momentum is bullish, price is just making higher highs and higher lows. So we can expect market to continue, right? So on the 4H time frame, as the 4H flow is bullish, we expect price to pull back and come into the block, which is right here. And what we see here is 4H block. Price came into the 4H block and rated the 4H low with this candle. And if we go to the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, there was no break in structure. 15-minute was right here, and what happened there is it actually broke 5-minute right here. What we can do is we can use 5-minute block, but that doesn't mean we have to take, or we can take trade like that. We can use this block, and the next day what we saw is price came into this block. It took liquidity here, as you can see here. They took liquidity here with this candle, with this bullish candle, and our momentum was already bullish. 4H flow was bullish. We had 4H rate behind it. And let's go to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, 15-minute liquidity was not, 15-minute rate was not, 15-minute high was not taken. As you can see, this got rated, and we can use 5-minute. As you can see, the 5-minute candle just closed above this 5-minute high, and we can use this as an, you can see, we can use this block, 5-minute block. Price gone up, taps back into the block, and then just started going up. As you can see, entry there, stop loss there. Below this low, you can use 5 pip stop, and if this is the lowest point, we can even go to the highest point. But if we use the method of going liquidity to liquidity, which means we have hit 4H liquidity, so, and today we have 1H liquidity, but we can use this 4H liquidity, which can be found on the 4H time frame right here. So let's just use this candle, because after taking this liquidity, we can expect to reach here, even though it can go all the way up. And as we can see, we are just going up and up. So let's go back to the 15-minute time frame, and the first TP, or the max TP, is right here, 7.32 here, and price just did what it does usually, pulls back again, try to scare everyone, try to mitigate this candle, and just left us with no pullback. And also you can see I have marked out that because of this daily rate. As you can see, after daily rate, we had 15-minute break right here, 15-minute break in structure here, and I was just using this as an price comes back, rate some level, so we can expect reversal, because today is Friday. but price didn't come back, didn't give us much. There was some rejections. As you can see, the liquidity was not taken. This liquidity was protected, and actually they created this double top to create sellers in the market, and then they just took them all. So this was this. Let's say, do we have anything on GbpUsd? buys everywhere, right? So there was this double bottom. So price was just approaching highs and highs and highs after taking this liquidity, and it didn't give us much of an opportunity unless this level, but still this was not enough. And GBP is just, yeah, there was this level was taken with the flow, and after that there was not much. To be honest, this was also like, yeah, it closed below, so cannot use that. Rule is a rule. Gone up, came back, no red, just super cool liquidity there. Going up again, came back again, not even gonna use. So I was looking for sells right here because, as you can see, daily liquidity probably was taken yesterday. Yeah, this liquidity was taken. The candle was very bullish, but I did try to take sells because this 3H liquidity was taken. Sells. Previously we had 4H liquidity there, rated these highs. Going back to the 15-minute, as you can see, rule is 15-minute maximum block. As you can see, this was the high, but we had 3-hour rate here, 15-minute break here, so they used this body, and price came in and then just smashed everything. So that means we are just bullish. We cannot use this daily rate because this was just for the pullback. Because if we see it, the low of the low on the daily time frame, it was here, and the high was right here. So when it broke this daily high, there was no point this daily is going to bring reversal. This is only going to bring pullbacks. So they did give us some pullback. This was the pullback, and price actually mitigated this block. It would be better if it had given us a red, because I would be looking to buy that instead of sell, but there was no red, and 2-hour, 3-hour all were closed below, but on 3-hour there was no fractal, so we cannot see it is a red. This is not a red. So on EurUsd there was a good trade, considering everything, that good flow, 4H flow, and good 4H rate, then came into 5-minute block, then again had a 1H rate right here, 1H rate here, and 30-minute, even though 30-minute was taken, here structure was taken there, and there was this block which worked, probably missed, no, it just worked. After 30-minute it could be like this too, and definitely 4H to 4H would be here if you wish to continue, because of the flow of the market is very bullish. This could be the first TP, this could be the second TP, and definitely you could, not this, definitely you can expect it to make a new higher high, at least to the -27, right, which could be this 8-hour with the 30-minute block, and so 12-hour, probably 15-hour with the 5-minute block. So the 5-minute was kind of difficult. As you can see, 5-minute candle was 1 inch candle was not closed at that point. If we use this, so we can see this candle here. This candle got closed here, as you can see, 1300. But we got a tap on 12.50. So what that means is we have to have our limit set here before 12.50. So what we could do, what I usually do is I use 12.45 as a benchmark for any candle to represent that it's what the direction it has. So whatever direction it had at that level, I mean this 1 inch candle, I have that benchmark that if this is bullish, it will remain bullish even after 12.45. so it is just a pullback phase and it's just gonna continue. So yeah, even with the 5-minute block, this could have been taken after this drop here came at 12.40 and this drop came at 12.45, and after that you could easily place the limit here. And the next candle actually tagged us in and never looked back, and it did look back after squaring 5 hour. Yeah, some people just like to take 5 hour and out of the market. So as you know, this is some kind of liquidity pool here, so price just stayed there for some time and then continued with the overall forex flow of the market. So yeah, it was this trade review. I hope you got the value out of this video, and please subscribe and like this video. I'll make more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.